In this video, I will be telling you guys how to optimize your form for the best output, for the best delivery, and for the best conversion rate. So for that, the process is very simple. Make sure you check the link in the description. Then you will be redirected to this form page on the Brevo. So once you're in the form page, make sure that the title is very appealing, not too big, not too short, and then there will be a clear CTA button. So here in the form you can increase the attributes. For example, I just asked for the email. You can add SMS, you can add emails, and you can add multiple attributes in it. So these are something that you can do, and make sure that your form is GDPR field compliance. So if it's compliance, then you will be able to sort the things out in it. For example, let me add this up over here. So it says opt-in, and you can add double opt-in option. So that is something that you want to do. And if you add opt-in option and you want to add a reCAPTCHA, that would make a lot more sense in it. So if you use these options and then you finalize it, make sure it does have a meaning to it. The color contrasts are okay. The CTA button should have a strong color contrast, a sharper one, and don't add too many attributes. Make them as less as possible. Keep the newsletter simple to the point, and don't overdo it. Don't overthink about it, and don't put extra things in it. Keep it basic, and then you will be able to get as much conversions as it should make. Take care. Bye bye.